I need to explain more once we get there.
What's up, brother? How we doing?
How are you? Good to see you. Daniel, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
The biggest thing I notice about your videos is everyone has a really interesting job.
What do you do for a living? I make car sounds with my mouth.
If I'm gonna come do a video with you, I have to have the most interesting job of all. So I have some job ideas.
Okay, let's hear 'em.
The inventor of sliced bread. Dolphin polisher.
That's really good.
You ever seen an unpolished dolphin?
No.